Hi, let's see this project, Smart Home Environment Monitoring System. So this is the assembly of the project. You can see the circuit diagram of project here, and let's see all the components. So this is FireBeetle 2 DFRobot's FireBeetle 2 ESP32C6 development board. This is Fermion environmental sensor module, multifunction environmental sensor module. This is 2-inch 320 by 240 IPS LCD display with GDI interface. So you can see the FPC cable here. These two are MEMS sensors. One is smoke sensor, another is CH4 methane gas sensor. These are two analog sensors. This is SGP40 gravity SGP40 air quality sensor. So using these sensors and this display, we can monitor environment of smart home and different physical parameters, environmental parameters like temperature, humidity, pressure, ultraviolet light, ambient light, air quality, VOC level, smoke and gas leak detection. So this is for locally, this displays these readings locally, and we have also programmed this project to display, or we make this program IoT based by using Telegram bot integration. So this is the Telegram bot. You can see here home environment. So using this bot, we can inquire or we can get different readings of house or home environment, smart home environment on Telegram bot from anywhere in the world. So we can just send some commands to get readings, and we will get these parameters on our smartphone using Telegram app. So this microcontroller FireBeetle 2 ESP32C6 will be connected to wireless Wi-Fi internet, and then it will send all the readings to this Telegram bot. So let's see the demo of this project. One more thing, we have also programmed detection system and alert system. So whenever there is any smoke or gas leak detected in a smart home, there will be a pop-up notification or alert messages will be sent on smartphone or on Telegram app. So we'll see a demo of that also. So let's power on this circuitry. Let me power on it. So I have power on this using this USB cable and power bank. So now you can see, first the sensors will take some time to get readings. Now you can see all the readings here of different parameters like temperature, humidity, VOC level, volatile organic components level, then pressure, ultraviolet light intensity, ambient light, gas, LPG gas or CH4 methane gas, smoke, and air quality. Now you can see air quality is showing excellent since VOC level is below 100. You can see it is 46. So in this way you can monitor these all parameters locally in a home using this project. Now we will see the demo of Telegram bot and how we can inquire all these readings on Telegram bot. So let me show you. Alright, now let's see Telegram bot. So you have to first give command start here. Okay, so it will respond like this message: welcome to home environment assistant bot, use the following commands to get the home environment status. So these are 5 commands. So one is get sensor reading, so we'll get all the sensor reading using this command. Then there is one command that is enable smoke alert, so we can engage and disengage these detection systems: smoke detection system and gas leak alert detection system. So we can enable and disable here using these commands. So let's first see the get readings command. So you can see we have sent get readings command and we get all the sensor readings here, like temperature, humidity, VOC level, similar to this display, LCD display. So pressure, ultraviolet intensity, ambient light, methane gas level, CH4 level, smoke level, and air quality. So in this way you can send this command. Let's send it again. You just have to enter this command and send it, get readings. Likewise you will get different parameters. So now let's see demo of the gas alert or smoke alert. Let's first enable the gas alert system. So I will send this command: enable gas alert. Now gas detector is enabled. So let's see, just pay attention on this notification. We will get notification whenever gas level or any CH4, methane gas, LPG gas detected in house. So this is CH4, you can see this is CH4 sensor. I will put some LPG or methane gas on the sensor and you can see the gas level here, percentage, and we got the here notification, alert notification about gas leak detection in the house. So this is about gas leak detection, you can see. Let me show you once again. So you can see in this way you can detect the gas. Now let me show you the demo of smoke detection. So okay, we will first disable it. Disable the gas leak alert. You can enable both simultaneously. So let's first enable the smoke alert. So enable the smoke alert. Wait. Okay, enable smoke alert, smoke detector enabled. Now let's put some smoke on smoke sensor. So you can see I will put some smoke on this smoke sensor. Here is the smoke sensor. Now reading is 0. I will put some smoke on this smoke sensor. Alright. So you can see we got a notification here. Smoke detected in the house. So in this way we can get notification about gas leak alert and smoke alerts. Alright, so this is demo of this let's disable the smoke alert. Let's disable the gas alert. Let's check the readings here. Likewise, you can run this project. So this is all about demo of smart home environment monitoring system using FireBeetle 2, DFRobot's FireBeetle 2 ESP32C6 development board and different multifunction environmental sensors. So you can get all the code and circuit diagram on GitHub repo. Link will be in the description, as well as on Hackster. All the article about how I developed this project. You can get all the information on Hackster Project. Link will be in description. So thank you.